Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that's been making waves on the internet. A so-called comedy show called India's Got Latent, featuring popular creators like Ashish Chanchalani, Ranveer Allahabadia, Apurva Makhija, Jaspreet Singh and Samay Raina as judges. This show gained millions of views. But the question is, where do we draw the line between humor and humiliation? Being a comedian is a fantastic career. It takes talent to make people laugh. Even dark comedy, when used to highlight societal issues and government policies or biases, has its place because it forces people to think while laughing. But what happens when humor stops being thought provoking and instead turns into outright vulgarity and degradation? These shows cross all boundaries. The judges did not just make jokes, they humiliated contestants in ways that were downright disgusting. And the worst part, they thought it was cool. Ranveer Allahabadia, in particular, went completely unchecked and made an extremely inappropriate comment about a contestant. And then this sparked massive outrage online. News channel picked it up, legal actions was taken, and India's Got Latent was taken down following a complaint from the government. Even Maharashtra's Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma addressed the issue, with the Guwahati Crime Branch registering a case against these YouTubers for promoting obscenity and vulgarity. When did insulting someone become a joke? Comedy is meant to entertain. But there's a huge difference between smart satire and outright cruelty. Here are some real incidents that prove things have gone too far. First incident. In the same show, Samay Raina mocked someone's deceased father. Yes, and now let that sink in. Second incident, we have seen trolling escalate to the point where people take their own lives. Third incident, another YouTuber, Elvish Yadav, has cultivated such a toxic audience that they literally morphed a female influencer's images just because she called out his nonsense or senseless behavior. Education doesn't always mean moral values, and this proves it. Well, I also think Elvish Yadav is illiterate. So, who is responsible for this toxic culture? If you have millions of followers, you have a responsibility. When your fan base turns into a blind cult, willing to do illegal things in your name, who takes accountability? The influencers who promote this toxic behavior, or the audience that enables them? And to my fellow viewers, stop following people blindly. Question what you consume. We as an audience have the power to decide who gets famous and who fades into irrelevance. India has one of the youngest audiences in the world. We need to be mindful of the direction our generation is heading in. If you are genuinely enjoying watching people being degraded for laughs, it's time to reflect on your mindset. Because the day someone you love is affected by this toxic culture, you won't be finding it any more funny. Let's have a conversation in the comments. What do you think about this issue? Thank you so much for watching this video.